Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning Java programming language with practical demonstration. In the previous video, we learned about local inner class, anonymous inner class and enum type practically. To learn that concept, please watch my previous video. Now, in this video, we will learn about what is collection, types of collection, ArrayList interface of collection, and iterator object practically. So, let's get started. First of all, I will tell you some key points about the collection. Collection in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Here is what I have written first point over here. So what is collection first? Collection in Java is a framework. So collection is a kind of framework that will provide architecture to store and manipulate the group of object. It means that object has the data. So if you want to store the data in the Java, there is a way, there is a framework available, and the framework name is collection. So you can store your data into the object, okay, and after that you can manipulate the data for the group of object. So this is what the collection in Java is. This is what the usage of the collection also. Collection is used to store and manipulate the group of object. It means that it is used to store the data which are stored in the object, and you can manipulate that data using collection also. Then all the operation that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, inserting, manipulation, deleting, etc., can be performed by collection. So suppose if you have the data stored in the object and now you want to perform such an operation for like as a searching, sorting, insert the data, manipulate the data. Okay, collection in Java is a framework that provide an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. It means that if you have a group of object and you want to store that object and manipulate the data of the object, at that time the collection will be used in the Java. So collection is a kind of framework that will use to store and manipulate the group of object, and after all the object has the data. Okay, so your data is stored into the object and then you can store your object by using the collection, and you can manipulate the data of the object by using the collection. So this is what actually the collection is, and this is also the usage of the collection. By using the collection you can store and manipulate the data which are available into the object. Then next point is all the operation that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, inserting, manipulation, deleting, etc., can be performed by collection. So suppose if you have an object and object has the data, so on that data you can perform such an operation like as a searching, sorting, insert the data, you can manipulate that data, and you can perform the delete operation also on the particular data by using collection. So all the operation that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, inserting, manipulating and deleting, etc., operation can be performed by the collection. So collection is a framework that will use to perform some operation on the data. You can manipulate, you can delete that data also. Next point is collection simply means a single unit of object. So you can understand this point. Collection is a single unit. It is a kind of unit of the object. It is means a single unit of object. Collection framework provide many interfaces like as a set, list, map, etc. These all are the interfaces, and the classes are also available. So for example, ArrayList, vector, linked list, hash set, tree set, etc. So by using these interfaces and by using these classes, you can perform the operation on the data. You can store the data, you can search the data, you can sort, insert, manipulate, delete, any kind of operation if you want to perform by using the collection, you can do that. So first of all, your data will be stored in the object. group of object will be stored in the collection. On that collection, you can perform the operation by using that interface name as a set, list, and map, and etc. And that interface and the classes are also available. Say for example, classes like as a ArrayList, vector class, linked list class, has set class, tree set class. Multiple classes are available in the collection. So collection is a very important and interesting concept to understand. Please keep your eyes on the video, guys, and be focused over here. Then and then only you can understand this concept. I will give you the practical demonstration for all kind of collections which are available in the Java, like as a list, set, and map. So these are the classes available. Say for example, array list, vector class are there, linked list class is there, has set class is there, tree set class is there, and many more. So these all are the classes available into the collection. By using that class, you can create an object, you can store the data into the object, and you can perform the different operation as per your requirement. Though what is collection in Java? First, collection represent a single unit of object. What is framework in Java? The framework provide ready-made architecture, and it represents a set of classes and interfaces, and it is a optional. So the framework provide a ready-made architecture to store the data, represent set of classes and interfaces. Framework has inbuilt classes and inbuilt interfaces, and framework is optional, right? It is not a mandatory thing that framework you have to implement that framework if you want to store and perform some operation on the data. So this framework is optional. If you want to use the collection in your project, in your program, you can do it. What is collection framework now? Collection framework represent a unified architecture for storing and manipulating the group of objects. It has interfaces and its implementation. Okay, so that collection has inbuilt interfaces and implementation also. Collection enables you to work with a group of objects. It is at the top of collection hierarchy. List extend collection to handle sequence list of objects. Set extend collection to handle sets which must contain unique elements. And sorted set extend set to handle the sorted set. So these are the classes available and interfaces available. List, set, these all are the interfaces available that are extending the collection. Collection to handle sequence. Set extend collection to handle the set which contain unique element. So I hope you are getting this point, because every set has a unique element. So Java collection provide you the set interface to store your data uniquely. Sorted set extend set to handle a sorted set. So if you want to sort your set, at that time the sorted set will be used. Collection framework has following important interfaces. Collection is also an interface, set is an interface, list is an interface, sorted set is an interface. So collection is a root of the collection hierarchy. Okay, collection interface is a root element. It is a super element of the collection hierarchy. Set is a collection that cannot contain duplicate element. So set is also a collection with the unique elements. It means that it cannot contain duplicate elements. List, an ordered collection, sometimes called a sequence also. So if you want to store your data in the sequence as a list, at that time the list interface will be used. And sorted set, a set that maintains its element as per the sorting. So this is what the diagram over here I have given. Collection has a set and list, set has the sorted set, and map has the sorted map. So the map is not available in the collection interface. It is total different concept. Map has the sorted map. Okay, and that set has the sorted set, and list can implemented by array list also. And these are the common method available for basic operation: add, remove, size. This is all the basic operation: add, remove, size, clear, contains, is empty, and iterator. Iterator is an object. These all are the basic operation you can apply on the collection. These all are the common methods available in the collection. Then we have the array operation also. Two array method is there. Two array with one parameter by object. You can call these method. Okay, there are bulk operation also. Add all, remove all, retain all, and contains all. These all are the operation available. These all are the common methods available in the collection framework. Okay, this was the basic information about the collection. This is what we have taken the definitions and the usage of the collection. Now, the next point is what is list and set interface of collection. This is what the list interface is. List is an ordered collection, sometimes called a sequence. List can contain duplicate element. Keep this point in your mind. List can contain duplicate element. As you can see, the user can access these element by their integer index, means a position. So list is working like as an array, like as a sequence. You can access the element by index. List interface extends from collection. So list is interface is extending from the collection. It has all the methods of collection and has additional method for indexing operation. If you want to perform some operation by using index, that list interface has the different kind of method available. List has additional method for add, remove, and modify the object. These all are the method available. So this is what I have given some point about the list interface, and these all are the methods available in the list interface. I will give you the practical demonstration for all the interfaces like list, set, and map. Here I am giving you some practical demonstration about the list interface first. So here I am commenting the first line, collection demo for array list. So here I am creating a class name is collection demo array list. So this is what I am creating a class name is collection demo array list. I am copying the class name, saving the file. I am creating a new folder over here name as a collection, and in that folder I will store the file with .java extension collection demo array list. In that I will write public static void main. So now what I will do, first of all, I need to create an object of the collection. So I will write collection over here, collection C equal to new array list. So this is what the we have created a collection from the array list over here. A collection is a interface referencing to the array list, and C is the object that we have created for the array list. So this is how you can create an object for the collection, and after that you can call a method of the collection. So this collection can be generic, but now what I am doing over here is what I have done. I have created an object of the collection with a array list. So this collection is a generic collection. So I can write something like that. Collection is a generic collection. So I will write these brackets over here, and I will write object over here. So it means that your collection is done for the object class. So you want to store the object value over here. Here also I need to write object in between the less than and greater than. Now the collection is created, but it is created for the object only, not for particular integer, string, or any other value. So this is the first line. On the line number 4, I have created an object of the collection, and it is a generic collection. So this is, we have created a collection for the object type, and here also we have created a collection for the array list. That is why I have written new array list. So now we have created an object for the collection. Object name is C. So by using that C object, you can call a methods, and these methods are available for the object type. So this collection we have created, it is for the object type only, not for the integer, not for any other data type. This collection is created for the object type. You can write over here integer. It means that you have created a collection for the integer data. Here also you have to write integer. So this collection is generic, right? So you can create a collection for different type. If you say that create a collection for a float type, so this will create a collection for the float type. If you write a string over there, it means that you want to create a collection for the string only. So this is what the collection is. It is a generic collection. You can create this collection for any type. Currently we are doing for the object type. Over here we have created a object of the collection for the object type. Now I am opening the CMD and increase some font size of the CMD. I will go to the particular folder location CD, and then we have created a folder collection. I am compiling the file javac collection ArrayList.java. Okay, you can see over here we have an error, cannot find symbol. So for that you need to import java.util.start. So util is a package available in the Java. Okay, so in that util package there is a collection framework available. So if you want to use the collection framework, you have to import java.util package. So this is what we have done with this code. Now I am saving the file, compiling again. It is compiled successfully now. Now as you can see, the file is compiled. Now I am running the file java collection demo array list, enter, and it is running successfully. This is the important line over here. Now I am calling a c.add method. Say for example I want to add the value in the collection. So there is a add method available for to store the data into the collection. So as we have created a collection for the object type, so you can store any type of data in the object type. This is what the benefit over here. You can say for example here I have stored 100 in the collection. Now I am changing to the value. Say for example now I want to store true value. Compiling successfully, and so these two values are stored into the collection 100 and true. There are no any differentiation for the data type because we have created the collection for the object type. So this object type collection can store any type of data into the collection. This is what the main benefit of the collection. Now I am writing c.add. Now I am storing the data. Say for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 L. Here I am storing the long value. Now I am writing c.add 3.14. It is a double value. Now I am adding a character value. Say for example c.add, in the single quote there is a character A. Now I am adding the string value. C.add, say for example Atmiya University. So these all are the data is stored into the collection. I am compiling the file. Now I am running the file. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file. So as you can see that all your data is stored into the collection. When you compile the file, your data will be stored into the collection. Now you can print the value system.out.println. Just write C over here and save the file. I am compiling the file. It is compiled successfully. Now running the file. As you can see in the output, all the values are stored as a array list element. 100 true, then long value, then double value, a character value, and a string value. These all the values are of the different type, but we can store these value in the collection. You can store all the different type of value in one object by using the collection. So these all are the different type of value. As you can see in the output, the value is of different type. Now I am copying the line, paste it over here. Here I will write, say for example, c.size. So size is the method of the collection. As you can see in the output now, I am getting 6. So we have stored total 6 value. So size method will return how many elements are there in the collection. There are total 6 elements are available in our collection. That is why we are getting 6 as an output. So size is the method. This method will return us total number of elements available in the collection. Over here, say for example, now I am removing the value c.remove 3.14. Okay. So this remove method will use to delete the element from the collection. Now you can see in the output we have removed that value, but we need to print the collection. After removing, we need to print the collection. Then and then only we can get a proper output. Compiling now, running now. As you can see, there are 3.14 is removed from the array list. So the remove method is used to remove the particular value, particular element by using the value in the collection. We have created an array list and we have stored the value, we have removed the value from the list, and then you can check the size also. I am compiling the file, running the file. As you can see, now we are getting 5 as a output because we have removed one element from the array list. That's why the size will provide us the 5 element. Now I am writing system.out.println. Say for example, c dot contains. So contains is the method. If you want to find some value, if you want to find some elements into the array list, contains method will be used. I am finding in the array list for the value of the Atmiya University. So I am compiling again and running again. We are getting true as an output because the value that we are finding, it is available into the collection. So that's why we are getting true as an out. But what if the value, if you want to find a value which are not available into the collection, this method will return the false value. So contains method is used to search for the value. Contains method is also used to find out, to search out the value in the collection. Now I will write a system.out.println c dot is empty. So this is empty is the method. It will return the true value if the collection is empty. But currently we are getting a false because there are elements available into the collection. That's why this is empty method giving us the false value. If your collection is empty, at that time is empty method will give you true value. Now there is a clear method also, c dot clear. Clear method will use to remove all the elements from the list. So now I am checking another time is empty or not. So as you can see in the output, I am compiling the file, running the file. We are getting true, false, true. So first is empty is providing us the false. Then we have removed all the element by using clear method, and then we are checking is empty. Now as you can see, when we print the collection, there is no any elements available in the list because we have cleared the collection. We have removed all the values from the collection. So this is what you can create a collection by this way. To store the different data type, you can create a collection for the object type also. So that object type collection can store any type of data and can manipulate the data also. Now I am creating another file to give you the practical demonstration for the iterator object. So collection demo for the iterator, I am removing these lines of code from here, and here I will write, I am saving the file first. Say for example, collection demo iterator.java. Okay. So now I am saving the file and the file name is collection demo iterator. So here also I am creating a class. Now I am compiling the file javac collection demo iterator.java. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file. So now it is running successfully. As you can see, we have created a collection as an object and we have stored this value in the collection. Now I am using iterator I equal to c dot iterator. So iterator, what is iterator? Iterator is an object used to loop through the collection. If you want to apply loop into your collection, at that time the iterator will be used. So iterator method is used to apply the loop into the collection. So in this line, with this line we have created a object for the iterator, okay, and then this iterator I. So the I is object of the iterator, and by using that I you can apply the loop. Here I am writing while loop. First of all, I will write I dot has next method over here. We will get all the elements in the loop from the iterator object name as I. So this while loop will stop at the end of the collection. One by one all the elements we will get by using the next method, but this loop will stop when there is no next element available into the collection. So this is why we have written while I dot has next. Okay, in that loop I will write system.out.println, say for example I dot next. So that next method will use to get the next element from the collection, and this loop will end at the last element of the collection. So this loop will iterate all the elements one by one from 0th index to last index available into the collection. We have stored these values into the collection, and from using that while loop we are accessing all the elements one by one, and then we are printing the element by using the next method, and this loop will be executed until the last elements. Now I am compiling the file, running the file. As you can see in the output, we are getting all the values available into the collection: 100 true, 1 2 3 4 5, 3.14 A, and Atma University. We are getting all the values which are stored into the array list. Okay, by using the iterator you can iterate onto the collection. You can get one by one values into the variable by using the iterator, and there is a has next method available for the iterator, and for the next element we will have a next method. This method is also available for the iterator. Here I am creating another variable, say for example integer index equal to 0. So I will print over here with index plus, we need to concat this value, and every time you need to increase the index value by 1. So here I will write index plus plus semicolon. Now I am saving the file, compiling the file. Okay, bad operand type for binary operator plus. So here I need to provide empty string over here to concat the values. Now I am saving the file. Now I am compiling the file. It is compiled successfully. Now I am running the file. Java collection demo iterator. As we are getting into the output, we are getting the index and a value available in the collection. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video, we will learn about collection by map interface with has map class, set interface, generic collection, and regular expression practically. So stay tuned to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.